My name is Bryan Ward. I've got a small property, 160 hectares, which is about 30 k's from Albury. And I was born and bred on the land and been involved with it all the way through. When we found this block, there was nothing on it, it was just bare land. Regenerative farming really wasn't on the radar anywhere. It was, to me, it was just sort of common sense. People think trees take a long time to grow. Well, they don't. It's very quick. Well, just here in 26 years, what's happened is quite incredible. We've done 40 hectares out of the 160 hectares now in understory. Come on, come on, come on. So with this scheme, you find on really cold, windy days, they're either behind the trees or lying down because they're warm, and so you can get better weight gains, better utilisation of your feed. We've had a few awards with the excellent eating quality over the years, and we've got another one this year. Some of the hill country, which used to be just bare and full of Patterson's curse, now it's got really good perennials right up to the top. All that pretty exciting to see it, you know, transformed in its carrying capacity. Now I'm amazed how much feed we've got and how much feed we're still producing, even in this drier time. Your soil, when you dig down in there, there's still moisture there, which is quite amazing under these conditions. You can't do anything without soil. And people talk about their $30,000 ram they bought or their $110,000 bull. That's nonsense. That's the most precious possession and most valuable possession on the property is your soil. Forget the tradition and have another look at a different way you can do it. When you've got all these little copses, as I call them, these little plantations, it's so exciting because, you know, it just completely relaxes you and changes your whole thing, and it just gives you so much pleasure.